Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing whether or not insurance is required to enter Cambodia under present immigration rules. The reason I thought of making this video, I was reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. It's pattayamail.com. Article is titled Regional Roundup of Compulsory Insurance Regulations for July Entry. Quoting directly, in Cambodia, the government website proclaims that insurance is no longer necessary for entry. The 30 days online tourist e-visa from evisa.gov.kh does have a fill-in box for insurance, but can be skipped without a problem. However, other kinds of visas for business, etc., do require an international or local comprehensive policy. It is no longer necessary to book with Forte Insurance Company, which lost its monopoly in November 2021. So interesting stuff. Yeah, Cambodia does not seem to have any insurance requirements for those looking to go in as tourists. As we've noted in other videos on this channel, insurance has largely been dropped here in Thailand. So those looking to come into Thailand are not going to be burdened with that, at least moving forward as of July 1. Which, as I've noted, I think that's a good thing. We really need to get the tourism industry back up on our feet. But making a lot of folks that come out to this, people kind of forget. It's been a long time, but going back prior to Q1 2020, a lot of folks come out here regionally, and oftentimes they'll do a couple days, a few weeks, even in Thailand, and then they want to go over to Cambodia, they want to go to Laos, Myanmar, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore. People want to even Indonesia. They want to go check out other places here in the region. So we're going to do a few videos on insurance and just sort of talking about some of the admission requirements for other countries here regionally outside of Thailand. Now, that being said, border running looks like it's getting a little bit more feasible as time is moving forward. I think that's probably only going to improve, at least in the immediately foreseeable future. So hopefully we can make some more videos about sort of the feasibility of border runs. Cambodia is a really popular destination for those who are doing quote-unquote border runs, or just for folks that want to see something a little different. Run over to Phnom Penh, run over to Siem Reap, see some of the sites there, and then come on back to Thailand and spend some more time here, or just roam around the region. But that being said, it has been very difficult for the last 2 years to make those kind of moves, to run to the borders and to just run over the border if you're dealing with land borders, or to just get on a plane and fly to Phnom Penh. I mean, there was a time when in many ways I found it was almost, I won't say easier, but a little bit more straightforward to get to Phnom Penh than it was to Pattaya, depending on traffic and things, because you just run to the airport, get on a plane, and you're in Phnom Penh. And yeah, I mean, in many ways, it almost seemed to be almost comparable time, again, depending on traffic. But that hasn't been possible the last couple of years. Hopefully it will be more and more as things progress. We'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.